Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and we're going to be talking about how to fill in TurboTax. So guys, go to the official website, which I am at now here, and create an account or login if you already have an account. Once inside, select the version that fits your situation. For most people with simple returns, the free version is enough. After that, TurboTax allows you to import your W-2 by snapping a photo or connecting directly to your employer. For other forms like 1099s, you can manually enter the details or upload them as PDFs. After that, you need to enter your personal information, fill in your basic details like name, address, and social security number. TurboTax will guide you step by step to ensure nothing gets mixed. Also, TurboTax will ask questions to help you claim deductions or credits you qualify for, such as student loans, mortgage interest, or education expenses. Answer these carefully to maximize your refund. And after that, guys, you can just review and file. Once everything's filled out, TurboTax will review your return for errors or missed deductions. After that, select e-file. Submit your return electronically for faster processing. And that's it. TurboTax simplifies the process by guiding you every step of the way. Just follow these prompts and you'll be done in no time. Thank you for watching, guys. Give our video a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one.